Organization of Advancement of Democracy are having our very first partnership with Wicomico County Presbyterian Church in Salisbury, Maryland. We are having our very first Haitian American cultural extravaganza. We're so excited that September 30th from 2 to 7 p.m. we're going to have folklore dancing, traditional music, just everything else that's culture related. We're just so excited. We can't wait to see you guys at the Langler Memorial Building in Salisbury, Maryland. We can't wait to see you guys. Thank you so much for the love and support. Mwah.